Hey, it's Faye, and this is Day with Faye. Today's video is about how I take care of my beautiful ring and a mini review on my Enso ring. So first things first, I don't wear my ring to sleep. I do this for comfort. I don't like wearing rings or watches or anything like that when I go to sleep. I don't know why, it just feels like it constricts me. I also don't wear my ring when I shower or when I go to the pool. I do this to avoid chemicals damaging the metal in the long run. When I do take off my ring, I make sure to have a designated place for it. I have an elephant ring holder, which is linked down below, that I keep in my room. It's very cute and inexpensive. Having a designated spot makes it less likely for you to lose your ring. In the kitchen, I put my ring on a coaster when I cook, again to avoid any oils or chemicals that may damage the metal or cloud the jewel. I make it a habit to clean my ring once a week with a jewelry cleaner and ultrasonic jewelry cleaning solution concentrate, which are linked down below. You can also go to a professional jeweler who will steam your jewelry as well. Also, please make sure to schedule maintenance appointments every few months to make sure your prongs are tight and that there are no hairline cracks. I take a cap full of solution and 2 cups of water into the cleaner. I wait a couple of minutes and voila, it is clean. Here's a before and after of the cleaning. So what do I wear when I'm cooking, cleaning, at the beach, or at the pool? I wear my Enso ring. This is an extremely inexpensive, comfortable silicone ring. I actually got this for $39.99, and it actually stretches, and you would never tell that it could stretch or that it's silicone from a glance. It actually looks like metal. This ring prevents any sort of chance of getting ring avulsion, and I highly recommend either getting this or not wearing a ring at all when you work out. Work in a physical, grueling environment. Or even when you go to the club with friends and you don't want to worry about losing your ring. So that's it. I hope this video was super informational for you, and if it was, please give me a thumbs up. Make sure to subscribe if you haven't already. Have a good rest of your day. Bye guys!